business sounds the way it is led and the way your team plays together. And this is exactly the sound of leadership. As a musician and entrepreneur, I became increasingly aware of how much management and leadership skills are present within a chamber ensemble. The sound of leadership allows us to give managers an insight into the way we musicians work as a team, how we are led, and which techniques allow us to excel. A chamber ensemble is the prime example for an open, creative, and highly responsive business, and we understand the daily strive for perfection. On stage, we are all extremely exposed and rely on each other to reach our top performance in concert. We can only convince if we have a shared vision, listen and respond to one another, and have strong leadership structures. How do I convince my fellow players of my vision? How much leadership do I submit, and who do I trust? How do we respond to errors and crises? The era of conflict between soloist and accompaniment, between leadership and team player, is our greatest challenge. We show you which solutions and improvements we draw from our work processes, and you will hear the advantage of consequence and transparency. Enjoy music, emotions, and our passion up close. Allow yourselves and your team to be inspired with a multifaceted insight through the sound of leadership.